Got the shoe area. What is up? Welcome back. First time vlogging in almost like half a year. I've been busy, quarantine hit, so I haven't been doing much. Been gaming a lot, trying to keep my mind about this whole world stuff. But anyway, welcome to House Tour 2021. Let's take a look around the house. All right, so right here, this is where the gate is to actually enter our little area to park. You got the Toyota Yaris and the Alfa Romeo. Nothing much to see out there, but then right here is where you actually enter our house gate. There's a lot of crime in Italy. That's why there's a lot of security going on. The grass is a little bit overgrown, but I ain't got a lawnmower and I'm only here for another year. So pretty much we make the landlord take care of it and we pay them. We got the storage area over here. It's where we put all our boxes, all the stuff that we don't really need for the house, off to the side. Also, don't forget, in this video there's gonna be two $50 Amazon card codes. Whoever claims it first gets it. I promise you they're real. And if you're not watching this during the premiere, you're more than likely out of luck. But in the future, there will be more random pop-ups, so make sure you keep a lookout on that. Anyway, so around the house here, you're gonna see there's a lemon tree right here, right there. And then you'll see these gated things on the windows. Every house in Italy has this just because of the break-in rate and how bad everything is. Same thing over here, you'll see there's shutters for the doors. Got the dog, we've got an outside little patio area. And when it gets really windy down here, so we'll have to put it away during the winter time. Like, I think it's January through March is when it's really windy. You got a little garden area over here. You got some dead plants right there. But around this house, there's nothing really to see over here. That's the laundry room, the little box, heat box, water pressure. More plants, our little little gas area. Then you'll see the side of the house right here with the steps, which is really good part of the house, the balcony up top. But we'll go inside here in a second and give you the actual inside the house tour and what I use for all my equipment. Actually, I gotta clean up real quick, but best team in the NFL right now. Super Bowl 55. So you saw the cars on the outside. Now it's time to see the inside. We just took a break to clean up. It's hard with the dogs. Alright, so time for the living room. So we have a lamp here that's not plugged in because the worst part about living here is we need these transformers because all our stuff is American with the Italian outlet. So these things cost like $150 a piece, and if you have too many, the power just goes out. Then over here we got the couch, and we have to put couch covers because the dog over there likes to shed nonstop. You come over here, this is how you actually shut the shutters from the inside. You just pull the rope here and it falls down. And the dogs can open, this dog can open the doors, so we have to shut the shutters pretty much all the time, so it's always dark in here. There's a painting that I wanted to hang up, but I don't think it's gonna be worth it because we're actually moving out of here next year. Actually this year. The dog's play area. So yeah, that was the living room. Now to the kitchen. Got these glass doors all around the house. I don't know if I showed you that, but that was pretty cool. Anyway, so now the kitchen. This is my favorite part about the house. This was already here when we got it. It's a pretty tall ceiling. We got two fridges. One for sodas and alcohol, blah blah blah, and then one for our food. And we use the freezer for both frozen stuff. Another door to the outside. And then the kitchen, this is what made me really fall in love with the house. Same with Caitlin. Sink's really nice, there's dishes in there. We just cooked this morning. Got these hang above the sink. Glasses. Stove, there's a dishwasher right there, it's running right now, and then a mini stove. Recycling here is pretty big, so we got plastic, cardboard, and then mixed trash over there. The laundry room is really small. This was because the Italian washer and dryers, they're supposed to be side by side, but with the American ones they brought, you can see, this is a mini transformer. They're supposed to be side by side, but they had to fit it in like this. It's probably a downside to the house, and then you got a little vent to go outside into the window. But yeah, that's our, and there's a bathroom and the dining room. Almost forgot. Bathroom, nice little, nothing too special. Toilet. And there's actually a shower in here. I don't know why that fell. Actually, I don't think it hangs at all. We don't use this one, we use the one upstairs. Come back out here to the dining room. This came with the house. This isn't ours. Got a vacuum. And our dining room table. This light's actually out and I don't have a ladder to fix it, so we just light candles or open this. We got a little storage cabinet down there and we got a Ninja Instapot, I don't know what it's called. A little instant thing and a toaster. Keep our luggage right there. When we were able to travel, we were going at least once a month. There's Nike and Tosca. You probably, oh hi. You probably remember Tosca when she was a baby in one of the old videos. So that's a complete downstairs. It's good for 2 people. I love the outside too because the dogs can actually run around. But now let's go upstairs. All right, so right here we got a shoe thing. It's like our dress-up shoes and winter boots. Over here we have Caitlin's makeup room. It's naked in here right now, but got a futon for when people sleep over. All right, so over here we have our bedroom. Don't mind the wrinkles right now. I was too lazy. Got this hanging from the ceiling. We did have our bed another way, but we actually just got this TV. Here's another transformer, clothes, dresser, mirror. So that's our bedroom. Up next we have my gaming room, and what really sucks about this is the transformer situation because you can only have so much plugged in, so I only have one transformer. So when I go on my PC, I need to unplug the PS4, vice versa. So I really don't care about my setup because we're leaving soon anyway. So I'm just gonna make it work. That's why the videos also have slowed down because I can't do both at the same time. So I got this, got a dresser, got a in the wall storage, and then I have my backpack with all my equipment. And that's pretty much the house, and then the bathroom as well. I'll go over all my equipment in a second that I use. Then of course the balcony. Yeah, this is the bathroom I actually shower in. I like the bathtub a lot better. Mirror. Yeah, nothing really to see in here other than a bathroom. You go out on the balcony. Got the heater. Yeah, you already saw the drone shot. Yeah, just a over shot of the house. The main road is right there. Now let's dive into the equipment I use when I go on travel. Alright, now it's time to look at the equipment that I use. So the camera I'm using right now to record is the G7 Mark II. I'm thinking of upgrading soon, but actually not really because this camera's pretty good. Like I said, it's hard keeping everything connected because of the transformer situation. There's the Italian outlet. And I got American plugs, but we got a PS4, headset, two curved monitors, phone. I always keep a notebook of everything I need to do for the day. The link for this will be down in the description, but it's angled weird because it has to plug in right. And then a basic keyboard, mouse, controller. Yeah, that's not important. But to do all my voiceovers on my videos, I use the Yeti microphone, which you hear right now. You can get it off Amazon. I'll put the link in the description for all the equipment. Are here. Use Bose headphones to edit. Use this GoPro. I lost my other one in the ocean. This is the Hero Plus. I don't know which one. Case for the G7 that I use. The stabilizer for my bigger camera that I use to. It's not in there right now. That's the case it came in. And here's my travel bag that I actually use when I go on planes and go to different countries. So this is my cinematic camera, and when I take pictures on, it's the A7 Mark III, the Samyang. I'll put everything on the screen so you can see. Then I got the DJI drone here. Again, it's on the screen and in the description if you are interested in buying it. And you can look at the old videos to see the footage on it, or I'll show it on the screen here right now. And then you got the remote for it. You can hook your phone up too so you can see what you're actually recording. And then here is my stabilizer when I shoot. The battery's out of it right now, but you put the A7 on here and then it balances your footage. You can see in the most recent videos I actually used it, and it's a lot smoother when you record. So yeah, that's everything that I have. Then I'll show you the camera I'm recording on right now. And then I got a MacBook to also edit my vlogs. Here's the G7, pops up like this, so you can see what you're actually vlogging. All right, so that's the 2021 house tour video. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. I will be moving out here at some point this year. Not sure to where. But stay tuned for the 2022, and 2021 should be a better year for all of us. Hopefully COVID is gone, but we'll see. Anyway, thanks for watching. Make sure you leave a thumbs up. We'll see you next time.